Hey guys, so quick video for you. If the Kraken 2FA is not working and you're looking for a way how it to work, so what you can try to do is when this kind of error happens, is it usually because your clock or time zone is off by more than 30 seconds, and try to double check it if it's properly synchronized, both the time zone and your phone clock. So that's pretty much it what you can try to do. I hope it's going to help you. And have a great day and goodbye. Someone even wrote here, it was the problem on my mobile, it was 1 minute difference, set the time to automatic and it's solved.